Okay guys, we're on the Cosmo Fighter again, and what we're going to be doing here is highlighting all of the details. But what I'm going to be using is the Citadel Color Shade Null Oil, and as you can see, I've already used it on this side of the aircraft, and you can now see all of the details just standing out at you. And then if we look at this side, you can see them just slightly, but they don't really stand out. And we wanted them to stand out a little bit more so that they break up a lot of this gray slabness, that there's just a solid gray there, other than a little bit of the off-colored panels that I've painted there, which I may be adding more to that. But for right now, we're just going to work on really bringing the details out on the body by adding some of this shade Null Oil. Now I found that it really enhances the look of the aircraft or any model that you're building by highlighting the panel lines to really bring out all the detail. And basically, you just want to dab it on there. If you've used the Tamiya panel line paint, then you'll be very used to this. Take the excess off. Leaves you a little bit of a soot-like look, a little dirty, and just adds shadows, and I like to think it adds scale to the model. And wipe off any excess that you don't want. Now, my favorite has always been the Tamiya, but sometimes I find the Tamiya is a little too dark, a little too strong for what I'm trying to get here. Okay guys, and here we see the final result of all of our panel lining work. As you can see, it really makes the details on the body of the ship just stand out, and I think really improves the overall look of the model and adds some pretty good scale to it. The next step we're going to take with this is probably adding some little bit of weathering and adding a few more colors and adding the canopy, and then this one will be done and we can concentrate on the second ship with the wings in the upswept position. Overall, this is looking pretty good to me. Well guys, don't know if I'll have another chance to make another video before New Year's, but if I don't, I just want to let you guys know I'm wishing you all a happy new year, and we'll be together in the new year building more models, doing more car stuff, and just having loads of fun on the channel. So I'm looking forward to seeing you guys in the upcoming year.